What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over AMC stock once again. It is Sunday, the day before the market opens, and there's a lot of stuff I want to talk about today. But before we do get into AMC stock, make sure to go down and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I update you guys on AMC stock every single day. But as y'all see, on Friday we did close after hours at $9.42. We're still up 30% from our all-time low. With what's been coming out, with what Adam Aron's been releasing, and the amount of money being made by AMC, I do believe we're going to go past $10 again tomorrow. We might possibly hit a low lower than $9.34, but I do believe we're going to end Monday green. This is not financial advice whatsoever, just my personal opinion. I was doing some research here on Google on AMC. I just looked up AMC stock facts. This question says, will AMC stock ever go back up? Riley Securities Analyst, AMC stock has an upside potential of over 200% from its current share price near $9. B. Riley's Eric World recently said that he believes AMC stock could eventually reach $45 once the company returns to pre-pandemic profitability levels. Guys, we're already about to hit that. This was made on September 7th, this article, and we're already possibly doing better than we were pre-pandemic. I mean, especially with Taylor Swift coming out, we're raising record-breaking revenue, and when Q3 and Q4 comes out, it's going to be extremely bullish for AMC. People are going to start realizing that, oh wow, AMC's not going to go bankrupt. What the hell were we doing? Why aren't we buying AMC under $1? Well, us apes were just loading up. Just my personal opinion. Us apes that have been looking at AMC stock for a long time have been buying at this level because AMC stock has never been under $1 before this. It's never been under $1, and now it is. It still is. It's trading at 95 cents basically right now before the split. So I think that's insane. I do think that this is still a good buying price in my opinion. This article says, why is AMC stock struggling? Shares of AMC Entertainment closed at a record low Wednesday after the movie theater chain announced a plan to sell up to 40 million common shares. This was back over a month ago. The stock sank 37% to $8.62. The struggling chain said it plans to use the proceeds to bolster liquidity and repay debt, among their other things. In reality, AMC went down 50% on the news that Adam Aron sold 40 million shares, but at the same time, he did raise $325 million in cash. Guess what? AMC is going to make over another $300 million just with this Taylor Swift film. What's going to happen when Beyonce comes out? Another $300 million? It's already almost $1 billion, guys. It's impossible for AMC to go bankrupt anytime soon. In my opinion, I do think the business is going to thrive, and AMC is going to stick around for as long as I'm alive and for as long as you're alive. I don't think AMC is going bankrupt. I do see the shares going over $100 in 2024 next year. That's over 1,000% gain in 1 year, guys. Will AMC reach $100,000? It's theoretically possible. In other words, how much AMC can be traded for depends on how much buyers are willing to pay for shares and how much of them are in the market. If buyers overwhelm sellers and a trade can be executed at a price of $100,000, this is pretty much what it takes for magic to happen. I mean, we already have one of the biggest communities the stock market has ever seen. It's never been this much apes. I mean, we outnumber hedgies 1,000,000 to 1. This community is insane. This is why I talk about AMC every single day, and this is why I'm all in AMC. I mean, my whole portfolio is AMC. I'm all in. This article says, is it good to buy AMC now? AMC fundamentals are in the best shape since the pandemic. But despite AMC stock losses due to heavy dilution, the company's business is in the best shape it's been since before the COVID pandemic. AMC's second quarter earnings showed revenue rising 16% year over year. Guys, the second quarter was the first positive quarter in the past 14 quarters. 14. That speaks for itself, guys. Q3 is going to be positive. Q4 is going to be even more positive. Q4 might be record-breaking. Something that AMC hasn't seen in 103 years ever since it was born. If that comes out, guys, when it comes out, what do you think is going to happen to AMC stock? We're at an all-time low still. We're trading under $1 here before the split. Absolutely insane. This article says, how can AMC survive? The company came back from the brink of bankruptcy in 2021 thanks to millions of retail investors who turned its shares into a meme stock. Since then, AMC has devised several plans to raise more capital to pay down its debts and invest in acquisitions, theater upgrades, a popcorn business, and even a gold mine. I mean, guys, AMC is a freaking gold mine. You go to Walmart, you see AMC popcorn. You're gonna see AMC alcohol very soon. You go to the parking lot, it's packed. They're selling buckets. for freaking $13.99. Pieces of plastic. They're selling freaking drinks for freaking $11.99. Collectibles, merchandise. For the biggest artist in the world, the second biggest artist in the world, in the globe, playing in over 90 countries. 90 countries, guys, and AMC is going to profit in all 90 countries. This is insane, guys. This is insane. I mean, I don't know how else to tell you this. I don't know how else to explain this to you guys, but AMC is fundamentally a good business that will thrive. I mean, I don't know how else to put it to you. You could look it up for yourself. I'm just doing research, and you could do this research on your own. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my opinion. Look, Kenny G spotted in a dog's asshole, literally the asshole himself. That's gonna burn in hell. He knows he's screwed, that he shorted AMC stock. He wants it to go to hell. I will go to hell with AMC before I sell a single share. I know we're going higher than $10. Way higher. Way freaking higher. Broadway musicals are next. The Mean Girls movie musical will now skip its Paramount Plus release and go to theaters on January 12, 2024. This is the beginning of 2024. I mean, we're already breaking records at the end of 2023. Going into 2024, think of all the new movies coming out. Think of all the new artists that are going to want to copy Taylor Swift. Think of everything, man. It's just going to keep on going. It's just going to keep on going, and it's not going to stop. It's going to be like a snowball, just getting bigger and bigger for AMC. Let's be real here, guys. Let's be real. I really know that AMC is going to thrive as a business, and the stock is just going to keep going up and up and up. We already reached the bottom. We've reached the all-time bottom, and I do believe we are going higher. Hedgies are effed. Taylor Swift didn't use lube before effing the hedgies, so they are mad. Taylor Swift stumbled when she didn't consider theater fallouts with last-minute airs showtimes. The damage isn't permanent, but she did something that even Tom Cruise and James Cameron would never attempt. Taylor Swift is breaking records that have never been broken. She's up there with the Titanic movie. She's up there with freaking Avengers Endgame. Like, goddamn, she is huge, and this is insane. Another huge hit for AMC theaters. AMC is the one that's profiting it. F Cinemark, F all those other theater chains. AMC is boss. AMC is top G here. AMC is at the top of this industry, and this industry will stay around, guys. I'm telling you, when you watch an NFL game, when you watch football, I mean, what commercials do you see? Oh, this movie's going to be in theaters, this movie's going to be in theaters, that movie's going to be in theaters. It's always been like that, and it will continue to be like that no matter what, because there's nothing like a big screen. You can't get out of your house. It doesn't matter what freaking movies you could stream. It's not the same. I mean, I take my bitch to AMC. I'm not going to take her. I mean, I could take her to my room whenever I want, but I'd rather take her to the big screen. You know, no bad blood, just mad love. Taylor Swift Eras Tour still eyeing record October opening with 95 to 97 million box office update. The revenue is gonna be insane. Just in pre-sales, we broke over 100 million. We haven't even taken into consideration all the popcorn buckets that have been sold, all the freaking drinks, everything, man. It's going to be insane. It's going to be insane. Taylor Swift projected to make over 4.1 billion from the Eras Tour. Click to read more. And I feel like 1 billion is coming from the film. I mean, let's be real here, guys. She should just buy at least 10 million AMC shares. I mean, that's crazy. If AMC were to make all that cash, 4.1 billion, they'd pay off their debt. AMC stock would go to $1,000 just like that. Us AMC investors will be up thousands and thousands of %, and we would be rich for the rest of our lives. We would have life-changing money. We will, guys. It is going to come. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. I just wanted to share with you the research that I was doing on AMC stock. I thought it was really interesting, all those articles we went over and all these Reddits. Tomorrow is going to be a huge day in the stock market for AMC, and I will be covering everything, where we open, where we close. So make sure to go down and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I make AMC videos like this every single day, updating you guys. We're already about to hit 600 subscribers. I love every single one of you that have subscribed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in my next one. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.